I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make jailhouse-style ice cream. This clever technique allows you to create a delicious frozen treat with minimal equipment. The core idea is to use the supercooling effect of salt and ice to freeze your mixture quickly. You'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve a creamy, satisfying dessert using just a few basic steps and some good old-fashioned shaking. Let's get started on this unique culinary adventure. To begin, gather your essential supplies. For the ice cream base, you'll need about 1 pint of milk, half a cup of liquid coffee creamer, and a few spoonfuls of sugar. For flavor, consider a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a packet of powdered drink mix. The key chilling agents are a bag of ice and a substantial amount of table salt. Finally, grab 2 sturdy, sealable plastic bags, one small, about sandwich size, and one larger, gallon size. Now let's set up the freezing process. First, pour your milk, coffee creamer, sugar, and any chosen flavorings into the smaller plastic bag. Seal this bag very tightly, squeezing out excess air to prevent leaks. Next, fill the larger plastic bag about halfway with ice, then add approximately 1 cup of salt over the ice. This salt lowers the ice's freezing point, making it much colder. Carefully place the sealed smaller bag inside the larger bag, then seal the larger bag completely. For the final, fun step, wrap your double-bagged mixture in a towel or blanket. This insulation helps maintain the cold temperature. Now, shake it vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll feel the liquid inside the smaller bag begin to solidify into a creamy ice cream. Once it reaches your desired consistency, carefully remove the inner bag. Wipe off any salt residue from the outside, and then open it up to enjoy your homemade jailhouse-style ice cream. It's a surprisingly delicious and resourceful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.